Dun 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 dun, season 3. Bad. SpongeBob, I'm not sure about. I mean, that's no. But the thing kept me swimming, dude. Yep, that's a good thing. Cool. I climb up. Here's all the good. Time to the base. Subscribe. I used to grab here and see my rest. I want someone to grab me back. Cool. Why not? Where did that bike come from? That's safe. Okay. Why does he smell so bad now?